Ellie loved to play with her friends in the sunny savanna, chasing butterflies and rolling in the soft grass. But there was one place she always stayed away from, the big, sparkling river. Her mama and aunties would trumpet with joy as they splashed and swam in the cool water. They called to Ellie to join them, but a little flutter of worry always stopped her. Ellie longed to join the fun, to feel the cool water on her skin and play splashy games. But the river looked so big and deep, and she felt a little scared. Mama Elephant noticed Ellie's quiet worry. She gently walked over, wrapping her trunk around Ellie in a comforting hug. "It's okay to be a little scared, my dear," Mama rumbled softly. Mama showed Ellie how to dip just her trunk in the water, then her toes. The water felt cool and squishy, not scary at all. Ellie giggled with delight. Then, Mama encouraged Ellie to take one small step, and then another, into the shallow part of the river. The water tickled her tummy and legs. Mama showed her how to gently push off the bottom with her strong legs and let the water hold her big body up. Ellie felt light as a feather. With a deep breath and a joyful trumpeting sound, Ellie pushed off all by herself. Her legs paddled, her ears flapped, and she was swimming. Splish, splash, splosh. Ellie swam with Mama and her friends, squirting water from her trunk and making big splashes. The river was no longer a scary place, it was the most fun place of all. She had found a wonderful new adventure, all because she was brave enough to try. Ellie realized that sometimes, the best fun is just past a tiny bit of fear.